For AI developers, Anthropic's quiet release of Claude Science, a desktop AI workbench for macOS and Linux, signals a massive shift. This is not just another chatbot interface. It is an AI-native environment pre-integrated with over 60 database connectors and NVIDIA BioNeMo acceleration. In this video, we analyze what this tells us about the next era of developer tooling, the transition from simple chat inputs to structured agent workbenches. The true significance of Claude Science is how it redefines human-agent collaboration. Instead of forcing an AI to write custom code to query external APIs, a process prone to connection timeouts and syntax failures, the Workbench provides first-class adapters to databases like Uniprot and the Protein Databank. The agent interacts with stable, pre-configured database APIs, making tool execution incredibly robust. By embedding the AI directly into a thick client application, Anthropic creates a hybrid interface. The user interacts through natural language, but the agent works with structural database cards, local sandboxes, and remote HPC Slurm or modal cloud instances. The system abstracts away the data wrangling, so researchers can focus on higher-level analysis. This architectural design also allows for seamless model delegation. By integrating the NVIDIA BioNeMo Agent Toolkit, Claude can coordinate specialized scientific models like Boltz-2 for protein ligand folding or Evo2 for genomics, delegating heavy compute tasks to local or cloud GPUs while keeping the main language model focused on reasoning. Crucially, this environment addresses the biggest weakness of AI-generated work, non-determinism. Claude Science generates auditable artifacts that couple output files with their exact execution code, dataset hashes, and computational environment parameters. This provenance is the only way to verify and trust AI outputs in peer-reviewed science and production software. Under the hood, three architectural pillars make this environment scale. First, remote compute clusters linked via SSH. Second, a background reviewer agent that acts as a critic to audit citations and calculations. And third, native subscription availability across Claude Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise tiers. From a builder's perspective, Claude Science is a blueprint. It proves that the future of AI tooling is not thin wrapper chat apps, but rather domain-specific workbenches that pair agents with native tools, execution sandboxes, and immutable audit trails. Subscribe to Use AI with TechDad for data-backed AI analyses, and tell me, what industry should get a custom AI workbench next?